Start by taking off the 4 screw caps. Now, go ahead and remove the screws. Go back to those 4 spots and remove the screws. You can now lift the cover off. Then, you can take out the controller from the car body. While you're doing this, just mind the wires. Straighten them out a bit and it will come out much smoother. A really good tip is to put a little mark on the cables or take a picture before you disconnect. This will save you a headache later when you need to plug them back in. Don't forget the battery cable. You'll need to peel off the old tape and replace it after installing the new controller. Now hook up the new controller using your reference marks. Then, reassemble the scooter by reversing the order of the steps we did to take it apart.